we're going to be doing a drawstring ponytail. This is a good protective hairstyle when you are in between styles or in between, needing to shampoo your hair. I like this color, this beachy. I believe this one is called Vacation Girl by Model. And this is a 27, this is a 32-inch ponytail, and I believe it's, I can't remember. I'll put it in the link but anyway, I'm about to show you how I place my drawstring ponytails on. I love drawstring ponytails because they're affordable, they are convenient, and they're very cute. So this is the comb. I've taken my hair and I've placed it in a ponytail and kind of tuck it in with some bobby pins. What I'm going to do is take the ponytail, place it on my head, and what I'm doing is I'm taking the comb and I'm pushing the comb up into the band, the rubber band that I have my hair on. So that way I won't have to stick the comb in my head and it won't hurt. That's what I'm doing in the front, and in the back, the same. You won't be able to see it, but I'm just kind of trying to show you how I go upwards. And so now the ponytail is on. It's not secure right now because somebody can come by, yank it, and it probably will come off. So that's where the drawstring comes in. Here's this little drawstring. Make sure that this ponytail is still in here in the back because you can't really feel it. So I'm taking the drawstring. Make sure that there's not any hairs inside the drawstring because it will hurt just like you put that comb in directly into your hair. So I'm just securing the drawstring, not securing it, but tightening it up. I'm pulling the little guider here all the way up. It's tight now. See, you can yank it a little bit, but don't nobody need to be yanking my ponytail, no way. So I take the drawstring, the string, and I just wrap that string around my hair, just like I'm wrapping my ponytail. Not the ponytail, but I was wrapping my hair. I take the little opening. I take the opening of the drawstring and I use an open bobby pin. And what I do is I take it and apply it in there like that. Don't know if you saw it. Let me try it again. See, you see it's on there. And then all I'm doing is pulling it a little bit more. And then I'm going to push it inside that rubber band that's on my hair. Now, once you have the drawstring in and secure, the string secure, then you will take your hair, and kind of like finger separate it. And so what I like to do is I'll take a piece of the hair from the ponytail, like this, and see, try to do like a little part. And so what I do is I wrap that part around the area where that string is, and where the ponytail is, so you won't be able to see where the ponytail began. You won't be able to see the ugliness of the ponytail. To me, it's not pretty that way. And any ponytail that you use, you should wrap the hair around your ponytail drawstring portion so that you can get that good, clean, sleek look. And I'm just kind of pressing it out. with my fingers, you know, just kind of like pulling it through to make sure that that part of that string is not like lumpy or anything. Because I want a good slick look. Like it needs to be neat to me. I don't like for it to look no other way, but very, very neat. So I just took that portion and I just wrapped it around inside the last part of the hair. And I'm just gonna take another open bobby pin and I'm just gonna take it and secure that inside there. I'm still not stabbing it in my head because that is painful. The ponytail is now on. It's really cute. It's secure. But this part right here, you can see it more from this side. You see how that's bothering me. So I'm gonna have to take another pin. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get some gel because this gel is gonna keep it in place. And I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna like rub the gel around that ponytail wrap around. And now take me another bobby pin, open face bobby pin with the little prongs on the end because, let's see. And so now I'm just taking it and I'm securing it in the back, close together. My ponytail is done. Ta-da, cute ponytail. Now my problem is I don't like all these little hairs. See how to the side that's sticking out? That is a problem for me. So what I'm going to do is I take this edge gel, wax rather, it's not gel, this edge wax, and I'm going to take it in my hand like that and I'm going to smear it like it's like this clear paste. And I'm just applying it to my hair like this. So as I want, it's a very sleek look. So I'm gonna take my brush, this edge brush, and I'm just pushing this all together, like giving it this sleek look. Now it's messing up my little ponytail, you know, my little wraparound. It's kind of messing that up. And you see like a little fuzz of gray sickles there. I'm taking another part of the open face bobby pin and I'm just taking this and I'm sliding it in there in that way. So now it's secure. If I want to add an extra added sleekness to my hair, I can take this little do-rag here, tie it in like a square. I mean, fold it in a square and wrap that around my head like that. And so I can keep that on there until, you know, I finish my makeup. This irritates me. I know I have another one that's much smaller than this one, but I'm doing this right now. It's kind of close to me. I'm grabbing it just to show you of how you can get that more polished look with your edges. Now, some of you all, a lot of you all might like to pull out your baby hair, and that's fine if that's something that you like to do. That is just not for me. I'm 51 years old, and I just don't like that. That's not my era to do that little baby hair swoop. So that I don't do it. It's just not for me. Anyway. Ooh. Come on, hair. It's just boring. I'll just tie this thing around here too, because this is going to irritate me. Okay, that's on there till I take it off. But anyway, I'll come back, finish it up.